Why we are letting digital world take over every part of our life. Today world is dominated by the extensive use of technology to the extent it is penetrated deeply in our daily lives. From e-newspapers to digital payment, it is replacing everything that we can touch. One such tool is digital notepad, which is replacing traditional way of writing using pen and paper. We need to understand the benefits of traditional writing and the harmful effects of digital notepad. I strongly believe that the traditional way of writing is better as and digital notepad must be abolished and removed from the system altogether. My first argument on favor of my proposition is that traditional way of writing is better as manual notebooks are reasonable and does not require electricity. In my sister's school, no one uses pen and paper to study. Everything is based on technology. Because of this, she can't even write a basic list using pen and paper, and which is making her dependent on digital tools. Secondly, I would like to state that working on devices like phones, tablets, etc. makes our eyes weak, but manual notebook does not have screen and we can work on it 24 into 7 and it does not impact our eyes. In older times, people used to write using pen and paper because that used a real mode of expressing an individual's true self. Thirdly, I would like to mention that the traditional way of writing is better as we can express our feelings in a more better way, like we write diary entry to express our feelings. I would like to conclude that the technology can help us to work easily, but can it help us to think more? The joy of true self expression comes from writing with pen and paper. Hence, I urge you to discard that the technology which is making you dependent and get your true freedom because remember, pen is mightier than sword.